following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg, South Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Chester County in north-central South Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:58 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Lewis, or 9 miles east of Rodman, moving southwest at 18 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Chester. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Lewis, Rodman, Lowry's, Lando. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.